welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video that I haven't done in 2 years, and it is a what I eat in a day. I love these videos. They're one of my favorites to watch on YouTube. And today is Sunday, so I'm actually making some good recipes, and I usually eat them for leftovers for the start of the week. It's just an easier way for me to be prepared and excited about my leftovers on Monday and Tuesday. So I have some really exciting recipes to share with you. They're all healthy, they're all filling. I overall like to eat healthy, and healthy means different things to different people, but for me that means a lot of greens and a lot of balanced meals and food that makes me full and energized. This morning, right after I brushed my teeth, I had a glass of water. One of my New Year's resolutions this year is to drink water before coffee and not go straight to the coffee, because this is a bad habit of mine that I've done for years, is I just wake up, brush my teeth, go for the coffee. No, this year I've been having a glass of water, waiting, and then having the coffee. So I enjoy my coffee a lot more because I'm not just scarfing it down just to get that immediate energy before my mind wakes up within like the first 15 minutes from waking up and getting out of bed. So I make a latte without frothed milk. So I just do 2 espresso shots with some oat milk. I did a 30-minute workout today. So after my workout, I made a shake that I've been making for 2 months now. It is my favorite. It's half an avocado, 1 whole banana, and I also add vanilla almond milk. And this brand of almond milk is the best because there are no gums, no additives, and the vanilla flavor is actually from a vanilla bean, and it's not just flavoring or artificial. And I also added 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds for added protein and fiber. For lunch, I'm making the best salad ever. This is an arugula farro salad. It's so filling and it's so good, and it definitely makes for great leftovers. So I'm gonna start with vegetable broth, and I'm gonna add in 1 cup of dried farro. I'm mixing that in with a bay leaf, and then I'm just gonna wait for that to simmer. But while that cooks, I'll attempt to make the roasted shallots. Over medium heat, add in olive oil and then the shallots, and you just have to wait for the shallots to start roasting. When they start bubbling like this, you should reduce the heat, but I never did because I lost track, so mine completely burned. Okay, this is the only part that didn't burn. I accidentally forgot to lower the heat, so unfortunately we have some shallots that didn't make it. I highly recommend you actually make the shallots and add it to the salad because it's so good. And our farro is still cooking, so I'm gonna be cooking this until all the broth is gone, and we're almost there. This part takes the longest. Once the broth is all cooked into the farro, take out the bay leaf, and then we'll make the dressing. For the dressing, you'll need the same olive oil that we cooked the shallots in, some apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and some honey. And this will just be our salad dressing. So I'm just gonna mix it all up and leave it to the side. Now to assemble the salad, start with all the cooked farro, add in lots of arugula. I'm adding in 1 chopped green apple, some shaved Parmesan, pecans, and the shallots if you didn't burn them like me. Add in basil. Don't omit the basil because it adds so much flavor, and I also added some parsley for more greens. You can always add some added protein if you need it, and this is just super filling, so easy, and a really healthy, delicious salad. My raspberries were going bad, so I ate all of them as an afternoon snack because honestly, I can eat raspberries anytime, any place. They are my favorite fruit. For dinner, I made another go-to recipe. It is a Greek chopped salad. It's so good. First, start off by prepping all of the ingredients. So we have some shallots, some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. To make the chicken, I chop up 2 chicken breasts and add in olive oil, balsamic vinegar, smoked paprika, oregano, shallots, 2 garlic cloves. I'm using this like garlic press and really struggling to get out the garlic, but it's good once it's in the chicken. And then I will juice 1 lemon. I don't have one of those like lemon things that spots the seeds. I'm adding in some red chili flakes, some salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna let this chicken marinate. You can do it overnight covered, but I just do around like 30 minutes to an hour. I'll just set the chicken aside and make the tahini vinaigrette, starting off with olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, juice from 2 lemons. I'm again struggling with the lemons because I don't have that tool. I should probably get one because look at me struggle. And then the star of the show, you need some tahini in there. Do not skip the tahini. It is the best part. I can also eat tahini raw, so I'm just a big fan. And I'm adding in some honey, and then of course salt and pepper to everything. To assemble the salad, I'm going to start with the lettuce and then add in chickpeas after I've drained and washed them, then the chopped cucumbers, as well as the chopped cherry tomatoes, and I crumble feta cheese all over the salad, and then you can always add more to your bowl as well. This is a Greek chopped salad, so you definitely need to add some olives. You can also cut them in little pieces if you prefer, but I like a big olive, so I just toss them all in the salad. To cook the chicken, I start with medium to high heat. I'm using a non-stick pan today, but you do not have to, and I actually suggest that you use a cast iron pan or a different one, just because I find that the chicken does turn out a bit better, but I just cook it until it looks all cooked through and it's ready to toss in the salad. Once the chicken is all ready, I then mix the entire salad and I put in my serving because I don't like to mix the chicken with the salad just because leftovers get weird that way. So I like to just top my bowl off with how much protein I want that day. And then of course I have to add the tahini vinaigrette, and you can just go crazy with the vinaigrette and it tastes so good. And this is the delicious Greek chicken salad that I had for dinner. Every night I drink tea before bed, so I've been having this honey lavender stress relief tea by Yogi, and I have such a sweet tooth, but I try to be healthier, so I'm having 3 dates with some almond butter. I either have apple with peanut butter or dates with peanut or almond butter, and that